This is my Skoda Octavia, and it's absolutely knackered, but today we're going to try and turn it into a camper van for free. Because next time we are competing as ruined old Skoda against my combo van in a series of challenges over a massive road trip to see who's built the best winter camper. And all we've really got left are these sort of scrap bits of wood and some screws, maybe a bed sheet, but it's not looking good.
However, I have a cushion.
So with Ollie's enthusiasm off the charts, we got to work cleaning out the Skoda, ready for its winter conversion. And first, we had to remove the back seats, but we weren't very good at that. Look at the state of these back seats. I've cleaned the car for you, Ollie.
Well, you've cleaned the boot for me and left half your gardening supplies in there as well.
It's nice, isn't it? Oh look, I've never seen under here. Let's get all of these seats out so we have more space for bigger things. Camper van-y things. Camper car. This isn't a van, this one. What I've done is I put a light in the way.
Yeah.
This is going far too... Am I in the way? There's a spanner, and it's not me. Look. How good.
Well, it is your car, so it matches.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah. I'm being attacked by your headliner.
Yeah, sorry, it does do that.
Right, you pull it up.
I've pulled it up. Oh, my God.
Well, you haven't, because...
Yeah, thanks. Ow!
That's up.
And now we've established nothing. Why is this light in the way?
Oh, yeah, no, It's cold.
Oh! Oh, really hurt.
There's a tow bar there, mate.
Oh, really hurt. No, there's no way you're going to make this better than my combo.
Oh, you're damn right I'm going to make it better than your combo.
No
It's
way.
still going to be a bit Heath Robinson.
But you haven't got a toilet in yours.
But I'm working with what you didn't use. So you've taken all the good bits and I've got all the shower of what's it bits.
I used everything for mine. You've just got whatever scraps are left. So.
I've just got offcuts of wood. Like, they're not even... They just don't make sense.
I better help you.
Yeah, you can help when there's something that you can actually help with.
Right, I'll see you when it's done.
Oh.
Oh, this is so complicated. Can't you just have the seats flat?
Right, so we established that we need to keep the seats in.
We're so rubbish at this. It's safe to say we were a bit all over the place, but never mind because the seats were out and then back in again. So it was time for the headlining, and this made Ollie really angry.
Yeah, okay.
Is it all right?
No. A catastrophe, an absolute catastrophe has happened. Oh, it just gets worse. I'm covered by your roof lining, which should be on the roof, hence the name roof lining. This isn't fun. At all. It goes further. Like, what is this? My bed sheet?
I'm giving you the rubbish car and nothing to build it with.
The worst car and the worst materials ever, because there isn't any.
Ollie, it's fine. I've got spray to make everything better.
Great. It's raining foam on me.
I don't see why we're moaning so much. Oh, God, that's...
We're moaning?
God.
Who's going to stay in this car?
And eventually, we stopped moaning and got to work.
There's a cobweb in the screw hole.
Oh, it just comes down all the time.
Yeah, all right, don't lay on my lap.
Oh! I don't want to move. I don't want to move. It's all gone in my ear.
Not how you're supposed to do it, but this is how we're doing it.
So I finally left Ollie to get on with it, and after an entire can of adhesive spray, 12 pin tacks, and a bit more swearing, he finally had the seats folded down and the headlining up so we could see the space we had to work with. So Ollie's got a vague idea for a bed out of this whole duvet we've got.
Duvet, it's a bed sheet.
Oh, bed sheet,
yeah.
Sorry. Right, what's the plan?
I'm going to make a hammock.
Ooh.
I'm going to try and make a hammock.
All right, come in, let's have a look.
Let's give it a go.
Yeah, so string wasn't in the budget, so at the moment it's just bare hammock.
How are we going to tie it? There's no holes, there's no like
Tie
strap.
it through and not on itself.
You're off your rocker.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. I can just see your head doing mischievous things.
Yes. I have found some cable ties.
Oh. I love how we're doing a hammock first before we do anything else.
If this holds, I will be very impressed.
This is it. We're hammocking. Oh, you just simply grab the other end.
I think I'm going to go around the boot hinge.
Just like a real hammock.
This is just temporary for now. I have found a piece of foam to help line my hammock.
What is this luxury hammock now?
Yeah. I don't know what end I want my head though, if I'm being honest. Oh, this is going to be absolutely catastrophic. I can already tell it's just going to go down that way. We're going to give it a go.
I can't wait to see this. This is shoes off, it's getting serious.
Oh, shoes are coming off. This is a big special moment. I'm going to certainly try.
Okay.
I've never used a hammock.
Yeah, I think you're about to. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's a bit... Ah!
Jesus Christ! Even like this isn't bad.
You can't have a half hammock. It doesn't work like that. Oh God.
Right, I think we've come to the conclusion we need more cable ties.
We need more cable ties.
More cable ties always fixes the problem.
Yes, yes.
Can you remove my bulkhead temporarily, please?
Of course, sir. It's a very adjustable bulkhead, the bulkhead.
Where's the other end of the hammock? I'm going for round 2. Well, I've got to find where to get in it first.
I love how you're doing this as if it's not going to snap again.
I've also got more to fall this time.
You got more. It's a long way down. Well, it's not. It's about 2 inches, but it's a long way down. Oh, he's in. And it's looking better. I won't say that until he's in.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but how do I shuffle down?
I don't know.
I'm in a hammock.
He's in a hammock.
I am in a hammock oh, this is comfy.
It's actually?
Yeah.
Your boy is cocooned.
My pillow is the headrest of the passenger seat.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I can rock myself to sleep. Have a look at that. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we've test fitted the hammock and it works amazingly. We're going to build everything sort of around it. Now we can get the measurements and everything else. Well, Ollie can get dimensions and measurements. Now there are some really cool little secret extra bits we'll be doing as well, which we'll see towards the end of the video and on the road trip. But for now, some sort of pallet walls going on.
Yeah, I don't really want to sleep in here with it being a goldfish bowl because none of the windows are tinted. So I'm going to build a pallet wall both sides.
And with the pallet wall foundations built, I was even trusted with a job.
Hold that, please.
Oh, I've got a job to do.
Thanks.
That's all right. But then Ollie decided to cut the wood around the shape of the boot lid. Why are you making this a luxury camper van? It's a Skoda. You don't need to cut in like that.
And I've got to cut it at an angle. But it's fine. We'll make it work.
We'll make it work.
Everything's dandy.
Everything's lovely. Unfortunately, everything was in fact not fine or dandy. Ollie managed to saw through his own hand, so that ended day 1 for the winter camper build.
Oh, baby, don't hurt me no more.
Welcome back to day 2. We've got a massive day today, including fixing, well, everything we did yesterday. We've got the rest of the pallet wall to do. We've got flooring to put in. We've got a lovely secret little table, which is going to fold out, apparently. Ollie isn't here yet. He had a small incident. Can't remember what. But when he comes back, to make him feel a bit better, I've got a couple of extra little presents to give him for his lovely new home. So I've suddenly decided to bring the jigsaw today. You can probably guess why. I've also got him a lightly shat rug, which is really nice. It smells fantastic. And it doesn't really matter because I won't be in here. So he'll like that when he gets it. Right, we've got a pallet of old wood and a dream. And no Ollie. So part of making this a winter camper is getting massive amounts of insulation behind this pallet wall, hence why we're doing this. There's loads of space to make it as warm as possible in here because we're going to be doing this in very, very cold Wales. Obviously my van's pretty insulated, but this Skoda weirdly isn't. So I want to carry on with a pallet wall, get this sorted and finished, or at least attempt to. I mean, all we did was put bits of wood on here. It can't be particularly difficult. God, this is like the world's longest nail. Right. Oh, there's more. Oh, I don't want that bit of wood. Right. Probably should have checked at him at hospital, but instead I'll screw some wood to a Skoda Octavia in his memory. No, stop. No. God. No. I think. Yep, that's on. Splinter. No. I think Ollie could sense my crap DIY because a little while later, that is good. That isn't. Right, hang on. I've been doing your camper van. You'll be really happy.
Why is that like 2 foot too short?
No, hang on. How are you feeling? You alright?
Feeling better after yesterday.
Go on, show us what you've done. Oh, no.
I might have cut my hand open. Not might have, I did.
You did. You did do that. Right, that's enough sympathy. So we carry on. Look, I've done nice things to your car for you. Ollie loved the nice things so much that he used his one working hand to take them all off.
It's a little bit difficult doing everything one-handed.
I'm going to help you today, being your left-hand person. Hang on. There you go. Right. And with myself and Ollie smashing through the pallet wall build, I decided to reveal the present I got him. We have put an entire pallet on top of it, but I bought you a present. It's a rug.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
That was...
It's nice.
Yep. Who's had a accident on it down there?
Right, here it's rug time. Every good camper van has one nowadays, apparently. That is nice.
Actually, do you know what? That's probably one of the best presents you've got me, Matthew.
And the best bit is once this is all screwed in and put down, there's no way you can get to your spare wheel, which is perfect.
That's true.
Oh, hang on. Sorry, how disrespectful of me. Now we're in a camper van. I'll take my shoes off.
Yeah, you don't need to go that far into the woods.
It's fun. It's in. That's fun. Oh, this is great. I'm so excited for our camper van holiday.
Oh.
Mate, this is so good.
I can already tell you I'm going to have a better time than you.
No, you're not. No,
Oh,
you're
yeah,
not.
I am.
Wait till we're in
Insulation
Wales.
stuffed down behind the pallet wood, keep me nice and warm.
No way. Right, so the next question is, how are we going to do this next bit?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bridge all of these pieces together, and then I'm going to brace it off of these two, which are screwed into Matt's car, and it should be dandy.
This is I, bringer of smaller pieces of wood.
Oh, have a look at that.
It's looking so good in here.
There,
Yeah,
but-
we've got to put the handle back on, so that's just not there anymore. So here's a copy and then paste this on this side, and it's like a little sauna in here. It's just fantastic. Oh yeah, obviously all the insulation. The door still opens the other side, so all the door will open and we'll put all the insulation inside the car, ready for our little winter build. So, with the pallet wall coming along nicely, we got the last section finished off, and then repeated the process on the other side. The insulation will come later, as we were actually on our third day of the build now. Right, we've managed to get most of this wall sort of done, but I'm getting a bit bored of pallet walling, so instead I'm going to try deckinging. So we're going to put we're going to try and put a decking on the back of this car, so it sort of folds out, and we have our lovely dining area. Let's give it a go. To start, we needed to mount 2 hinges on the back, so we took off our plastic trim and then our well-oiled plan could come to life.
Right, what are we doing?
Oh, I thought you knew.
No, I haven't got Scooby-Doo.
Right, so we had to mount the hinges in a way that they would actually open and clear the boot. Spend a load of time planning and measuring. Mark the boot shape out on a giant piece of wood that isn't suitable for what we're doing, but it was free. Get poorly hand Ollie to cut it out with the world's bluntest jigsaw. This literally took 4 hours to get right. And then... oh, the blind spots.
Is that round the right way?
No. Ollie, look.
Yeah, I'm looking. Is that definitely round the right way?
No, this is the right way.
You've just spun it 180.
No, yes. There you go. It's good.
Yeah, okay, right. We're going to have rounded table.
It's going to have to be posh. Ah! So that needs to go. Ow! It's really bitey, this wood.
Right, does it fit inside the pallet?
No.
Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut that off and hopefully flip it and stick it on that side and do the same.
So after Ollie cut it to a rough shape, it was time to expertly install it. It's almost like we've measured this 172 times already.
And only cut it twice.
Yeah, that's exactly what we've done. Right, here we go. Have we got a table? Oh,
We have a table.
we have a table! That's so good. It's like a Range Rover
And then look,
now.
once you've got that on there,
Yeah,
she's dandy.
It needs a bit of weight to get it to go down, but
Just-
I'm sorry, that is good.
Ignore these.
Yeah, don't look at that. Don't look at.
Do you know
don't-
what I'm thinking?
Don't look at the death spikes.
I'm just thinking get a bit of wood and just screw it across the bottom.
That's not a bad
Don't
idea.
have to worry about cutting the screws.
That's
We don't
not
have any shorter screws. That's why we're using ones that are about 1,000 miles too long.
The rear seats.
Just imagine,
Oh,
you got your lovely rear seat.
you're gonna need some legs, I'm afraid. It looks like a little wood cabin. It's so good. Right, we haven't actually seen if it folds up and fits yet. Have you
I just want
broken
to
it?
say that your chassis is flexing quite a bit.
Oh, it is doing that a little. It's fine. It's fine.
I mean, it is only like 2mm sheet metal.
hang on. Is it just gonna fall through though?
No.
It works. We've done a thing. I'm getting in.
I hope you're not.
I am.
Don't push the table
Oh,
down.
I can't push the table.
No.
Right. So entering's difficult, but then again, it always has been.
Does this go down anymore?
Yeah. Oh, it's adjustable. All you got to do is bring a desk chair with you, you'll be fine.
Oh, we're set. Oh, we're having a grand old time now, boys.
Right, we've got our table, it's set. It's looking lovely now.
We've got our meeting table.
Exactly. So what we need to do now is obviously it will fold in and kill Ollie during the night. Now that isn't great. So we're going to put some shelving up. Ignore this. Ignore that. We're going to put some shelving up and hopefully we'll be able to put some bits on the shelving and it will also stop this lovely table from actually killing Ollie during the night. So we're going to do that and then we're almost done. Oh my God, it's okay.
Bye. Oh, that's shutting all day long.
This is perfect.
That is shutting.
Because the problem is now...
Bye. I'm going to make the, whatever you want to call this, stop. Then I'm going to make some shelving because I've got some quirky things that I'd like to put in here to make it feel a bit homely.
Oh, I'm excited. Shall I help?
No.
This is sick. I actually love this.
At least I don't have to sleep next to a toilet.
With your other hand?
Yeah.
No, you haven't got any hands left. Mate, the fact that you could just do this and just go into a little sauna in there, this is fantastic. And then you've got a trampoline down here. How good? That is exactly how you probably do that. Ollie then threw a few shelves up that I really liked. Oh, that's lovely. I shouldn't be saying this, but I actually really like Ollie's camper. The next time you see our budget campers will be on a huge road trip where we tackle the harshest conditions Wales has to throw at us in winter. You will see the final mods and finishing touches we make to them as we attempt to tackle a series of challenges, so make sure you are subscribed to see that. And let me know who you think is the best camper in the comments below. Is it my combo cubicle or Ollie's Pallet Palace? We will see you next time. Bye! All of a sudden, I'm really starting to like our camper. This is looking good. Oh dear. That was the GoPro. There's been another accident.